we are here in my office. Alright, we are back in the office. I just closed the curtains and I turned the lights on because I always like to work in a night environment because the atmosphere is much better in the background. And then also I have two screens behind me, one for Bitcoin, one for Ethereum. And then this here is the most important. This here is my main chart, my main screen, and this here is my working computer. And of course here I have a microphone. Alright, now you're on the tripod and I'm here and we are ready to dive into the charts. So first of all, this here is the Bitcoin chart. Right now we're actually zooming in the small time frame on Bitcoin on the 1 minute chart. Now we just want to capture a very small move on Bitcoin with a large amount of capital, and our profit is the difference between our entry and exit minus of course the trading fees. The price moves have been quite boring so far, but we might have a decent setup in a moment here. So let's go over and prepare to enter immediately because we have to be fast because the candles are only 1 minute each. Now this actually is a very famous setup which also was viral in Germany when I made the video because it's so consistent. Now we only have 4 seconds left, 3 seconds left, and we will enter our short trade, which means we bet on the price going down. If the price goes up, we lose money, but we will have a fixed stop loss, which means, for example, once we get filled on our order, we only lose a certain fixed amount because risk management is the most important thing in trading. And we are filled now. Now, the first thing that we will do is set a stop loss. A stop loss is a fixed level where we will exit our trade at a fixed loss to protect our capital from further losses. We just literally enter the trade. So we expect a move down from here. So our profit target will be just slightly below these lows right here. So we go right here with a right click, copy price, and we place our take profit order right here. And buy long. We're already up right now 6k, so this should give us around a bit more than 10k right here, and it's a very realistic target. Quick update, we are halfway there. We will take our stop loss slightly lower. So right now, worst case, if the price goes up to our entry level, we get stopped out at break even. Best case scenario, our profit order gets hit and we walk out with a profit. Traders will get stopped out and liquidated, and we make a profit once we go through this level. And we are out. In one trade, we made just a little bit over 10k, and this trade from entry to right now just took 23 minutes. Actually, a small portion of our short trade is still open, and we could grab another $100, but I'm gonna leave this open in case we drop even lower, because right now I'm in a risk-free trade. So let's go to the skate park now and enjoy some time, because I'm actually more excited about scootering for today.